Hey everyone, welcome to Trading Caps Exclusive Analysis. So one of the main reasons the market surged today is simply because of this stock alone. AVGO Broadcom surged to the upside on news today. What was the news? Broadcom shares jump double digits on a multi-year 10 gigawatt AI deal with OpenAI. So what is so fascinating is they are continuously cycling this OpenAI deal through a variety of different semiconductor names to pump up the market. And remember, Broadcom holds a significant weighting in the SOXX, and we all know the saturation in the market, how what semiconductors hold. Semiconductors are still the heartbeat of the market. Nothing has changed there over the last couple of years, and they continue to prop up the overall S&P and Qs on this, especially this trading session on the back of Broadcom AVGO's OpenAI news. So we've seen OpenAI now announce deals with AMD. We've seen OpenAI now announce deals with NVIDIA. We've seen OpenAI now announce deals with Path. So now we've seen AVGO. So who is next? They just keep cycling the same OpenAI headline, and it's pumping up hundreds of billions of dollars of stock and equity and really supporting this market. Obviously, the market had a terrific down move on Friday, and the market is now gobbled up with fierce extreme price action. But can this OpenAI headline last? Simply from a technical standpoint, what I'm observing, each time the OpenAI headline has been pumped over the last 3 times, AVGO is the 4th time, the stocks that got the OpenAI headline, NVIDIA, AMD, and Path, made new 52-week highs, if not new all-time highs. Well, look at Broadcom. Broadcom did not make new all-time highs off of this OpenAI headline. Maybe the new all-time high is still coming, but maybe the OpenAI headline is starting to wane a little bit and fizzle out. Maybe the momentum of them recycling this partnership deal, moving this money around like a one big giant Ponzi scheme, is slowly starting to wane. That is something we need to consider. But you can bet there's probably going to be another OpenAI deal. So what I'm going to encourage you, do a little bit of homework. In the comments, I would be surprised if someone can find the next OpenAI headline deal. Is it going to be SMCI? Is it going to be Taiwan Semi? Is it going to be Micron? My guess might be Micron. Is it going to be Okta, Ambarella, Skyworks, ASML, another institutional name? Which semiconductor is going to get the next OpenAI bid? Because we have seen a huge amount of potential profits being made off of this simple headline. So I just find that very, very fascinating. But obviously, that headline is starting to get a little bit dry and recycled, but nevertheless, a very strong day for Broadcom AVGO. And if you look at NVIDIA today, NVIDIA also had a remarkable gap up to the upside, still inside of that wide range red bar, but up 2.5%, looking like it wants to close above that 7-day moving average and recapture the daily chart trend. Today, the bond market was closed, so just be mindful that the equities did not have any sort of fear or volatility that investors and traders have to literally use caution when the bond market is open. The bond market is still a much larger pool of investment money that drives equities lower or higher. And today it was closed. So that extra trading liquidity that would usually be flowing into names like TLT or UBT or these bond funds are chasing up other individual names. And you can see it across the board today. You got quite a bit of stock squeezing to the upside, from Plug Power to Big Bear AI having a stellar day, up 24% right now, to this stock called STI. And no, it's not a sexually transmitted infection, but simply look at this move to the upside, just ripping. Tesla has had a phenomenal day today. You look at QuantumScape has had a phenomenal day today. So a lot of stocks have absolutely just moonshotted to the upside. You look at Serve Robotics having another stellar day to the upside, looking like it wants to break out on the daily chart. A whole bunch of new liquidity has pumped up individual names, and we will see if this can hold or if this is a bit of a dead cat bounce in the overall equity market. Please give this video a like down below. We'll see you on the charts a little later.